In this video, we are going to discuss that how to convert any base number to a decimal number. So, in our previous video, we have seen that how you can convert octal to decimal, binary to decimal, hexadecimal to decimal. Then in this number, we can take any random base. So, that is base r, and what will be the equivalent with respect to decimal number or base 10. So, this r value can be anything. So, we have just done it for binary. So, let us just take a example of any random number and then you will see. Let us say a number is there which is written as 3, 4, 5 and here the base is written as let us say 6, and this has to be converted to a number whose base is 10. So, how to convert that? So, the the method is, so let us say here if I write x1, x2, x3 like this, then what is the method? So, method is I have to multiply x1 into r power 2 plus x2 into r power 1 plus x3 into r power 0. So, what I am doing here exactly is, so the first place I am taking as 0th place, second I am taking as 1 place, third I am taking as second place. So, 0, 1, 2 like this I am just putting the place values, and then I am just multiplying the digit with its place value. That means I am multiplying x1 as the digit with the place value. What is the place value? Place value is the whatever the base is there, that means r, and the power will be whatever the position it is there, that is the place value. So, now if we convert this number, so what I will do? So, I will do 3 into, so base is 6 here, so it will be 6 to the power 2. Why 2? Because this is 0th place, this is 1 place, this is second place. Okay. Then plus I will take 4 into 6 power 1 plus 5 into 6 power 0. Okay. So, how to do this now? Now, it will be 3 into 36 plus 4 into 6, that is 24, plus 5 into 6 power 0 is what? 1. Remember, anything power to the power 0 is equals to 1. So, 5 into 1 is 5. So, if I multiply this, it will be, so 108 plus 24 plus 5. So, I have to add all this number to get the equivalent decimal number. So, if I add it, what will be the value? So, 5 for 9, 17, 1. So, it is 3. And it will be 1. So, 137 base 10 is the answer here. Okay. So, how we have done? So, let us take another example here. Let us say the value is 1, let us say 5 and 6 with base, let us say base is 3, and we have to convert that to a number base 10. This is the question. So, how to do it? So, this is 0's place, 1 place and second place. So, the conversion will be 1 into 3 to the power 2 plus 5 into 3 to the power 1 plus 6 into 3 to the power 0. Okay, so, that is equals to 9 plus 5 into 3, 15 plus 6. So, 3 power 0 is 1. So, that is equals to 30. The answer is 30. So, here I will write 30 base 10. So, this is how you can convert any base number to a decimal number. So, in the next video we will see how you can convert a decimal number to any random base number.